for the second week in a row, which should be to absolutely nobody's surprise, Vince Friese is on the penalty list again. Now, this one from Race Direction saying, quote, RD reviewed overly aggressive riding by 719 on 41 in the final turn at the end of the race. 719 was penalized 5 championship points, assessed a fine, and issued 2 license points. Now, if you remember in San Diego, he was the first 450 rider to earn points on his rider's license, 2 of them. So now he's up to 4. And if it's 15 in a 365-day period, you end up with fines, loss of championship points, and I don't know what after that. But I can't believe somebody keeps giving this guy rides. This is the pass right here, quote unquote pass, where he just fully cuts Mitchell Harrison's front wheel off, going into the face of the start finish jump. And this is the final lap, final corner for 19th place. Not for a podium, not for, championship aspirations, for almost last. It's an absolute joke that he's still racing. Now, as of today, he did post something. Oh, the funniest part, we got to get to this. So for all of this, with his 5 championship points that he lost, he got -2 points. -2. He had 8 points coming in. He's lost points after 3 rounds, down to 6. Absolute joke of a rider. But he did post a quote-unquote apology video today. That's at the very end if you want to see the comedy that he said. But basically saying, I don't want to be that guy anymore. I'm trying to clean up my act. And then blaming Harrison because he should have had time to check up and whatever. Just stupidity, Friese stuff like always before. I just cannot believe it. And the story gets even funnier, or worse, however you want to say it. Because after the race, Harrison went to Friese's rig to, probably chew him out for it. Friese supposedly invited Harrison into the rig to talk and then charged him. And I'm reading this from from Verb, sorry. It says, after Harrison agreed, he says Friese just charges it at him and they broke out in a fight. So because of that, Harrison got a point on his license and penalized for a code of conduct violation. It's stupid. 1 week, Friese is getting 2 points for disregarding the blue flag and blue flag protocol on multiple occasions during the main event. And that's to finish 17th. And this one is taking somebody out for 19th. It's not even worth it. You're earning 3 points for 19th place. And now because of your stupidity, you actually earned -2 points. You did all the work, all the racing. The team did all the work to get you there and fix the bike. And you've earned negative points for it. But I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me, do you hate him as much as I do? Do you think he's just a waste of time? Or whatever it is. But you can watch what he saw afterwards. But make sure to comment, like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Because it does really help me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
Hey guys, just wanted to give a little update, recap on the weekend. Obviously you guys all saw the video, the last turn pass I made. Kind of want to say thanks to everybody that reached out in support, and sorry to the ones that didn't like it. Really kind of trying to do things differently this year, trying to avoid situations like that. That was a deal where after San Diego having some incidents with the blue flag, I was really trying to be cautious there, and pulled out of the way for the leaders and got passed for position on the last lap. And then when Mitchell left the door open in the last turn, I was like, I'm gonna take it back, and had no intention to hit him. I'm glad he's okay, but I felt like he had time to check up and see me. I guess only he knows that. But yeah, I'm doing everything I can to avoid situations like that, and don't want any of my sponsors, my team, fans, anybody to think I would do something like that with an intent to knock somebody down or hurt somebody. Just super grateful to have such an awesome team behind me, and really looking forward to the rest of this season with these guys. We've maybe hadn't showed numbers wise results, but we've built every weekend. We've gone back, made the motorcycle better, built as a team every weekend, and just an awesome group that I'm lucky enough to have in my corner. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this thing on track. Battling for 18th and 19th is not where I want to be, but I'm going to race hard, whether it's for 8th or 18th, you know. But we got a ways to go to get up to where we want to be, and I'm looking forward to doing that with this team and all the great sponsors we have behind us. Yeah, sorry if you didn't like that. I honestly am trying to clean it up and go about things differently this year with this team, and I think I can prove that to you guys moving forward, and look forward to seeing you at the races.